Well, hi everyone, this is Janice. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you decided to stop by and visit. I appreciate it. And I'm going to open my Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you want to see what I got this month of June 2019, please stay tuned. Well, thanks for staying tuned and checking out what I got. This month the bag isn't too thick, but it's got some goodies in it. First thing I pulled out, it was not in the makeup bag, it's just loose, is the eye brush. Now this month's their theme was, let's see, what it was their theme, I forgot. Oh, Black Party. And they did team up with Tetris, and they made a makeup collection from them. And the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I will link that down below. I already uploaded that one. I got a mascara. I got a eyeshadow. And I did use it, and I really liked it. I like the colors. It's really different. Finally got something different that I don't have, which is hard. But I really, really like it. It's a buildable eyeshadow, but it's nice. But anyway, this is an eyeshadow brush, yes, that goes along with that palette. So it's really cute. Feels really nice. It's lightweight. It's real soft. So definitely will get some use out of that. Okay. I'm going to put that back in. And they do give you a card now. Before, a few months back, I don't know how long, but they didn't give you any information that you had to go online. But anyways, they do now. So this particular brush is, okay, they don't give you values, but that's okay. But it's a eyeshadow brush. And the bag is cute. At first I looked at it and I thought, I don't really care for it. My husband thought it was really cute. And then I got to looking at it. Well, it kind of does remind you of Tetris, doesn't it? And it's got a little tag here. Looks like one of the Tetris pieces. So after I seen that, I thought, oh, that is kind of cute. I love getting Ipsy, and the main reason why is because of the bags. Well, the first thing I pulled out is by First Aid Beauty, which I do like their products. I've used a few now through the samplings, and so far I like what I've received. This is a primer. I haven't used their primer yet. Let's see. Okay. It's not safety sealed, but I didn't open it. I'm not going to swatch it. There's nothing to see. But that's their primer. Let's see if I think on here tells you about it. It says Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Help your makeup last longer and look better. It's an oil-free primer, and it's combined with super hydrating hyaluronic acid. That's a tongue twister. So that sounds very promising. We're still on the skincare wagon here. The last couple months, these beauty subscriptions have been really loaded with skincare for me. Okay, this was really different. I never heard of this. It's called Black Volume Cream. I thought, what in the world? And let's see. It's by Nitrogen Code 9. Never heard of them. It creates they create high effective products targeted to treat your skin's concerns. It's made with 119 natural ingredients, spermicides, hyaluronic acid again, and this is oil-free gel-like moisturizer. It plumps, hydrates, and gives your skin a natural, healthy glow. all with the hydrating theme. And a safety seal, that's good. I'm not going to open it up. So I wonder if it's black. Might not be, just might be just, I don't know. I'm curious to open that up and try it, but I just got so many creams on, I don't want to, you know, once you open it up, then you have to count down when it's going to get bad. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out is called Hey Honey Sweet Treat. Another tube. I'm really excited about getting tubes. Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Okay. It says it's infused with antibacterial antiseptic benefits of honey and propolis, I don't know what that says. This pink antioxidant rich mask is made with vitamin E, wild berry, and honey to help protect skin, restore elasticity. I need that. I have no neck anymore. Lost my place. Let it sit on your skin for 10 to 20 minutes, and then wipe it off with a damp towel. Okay. And lastly, I have in my bag here is, looks like a lip something. Pixie by Petra Lip Lift Max in Sheer Rose. And then it's all sealed with that plastic. So again, I don't want to open it up, because if it's another lip gloss, it's going to go in a giveaway. It's a single swipe of this peptide infused lip color, gives you full, soft, and supple lips. It's made with aloe to heal, jojoba to moisturize, and camelline to smooth. And it's versatile. The sheer rose shade looks killer on all skin tones. So it's a treatment also. So it looks like these 4 are going to go into a giveaway. It's not that I don't like them. I do. I just have, like I said, a lot of skincare, and I cannot use it all. So I want to share it with you. So subscribe if you haven't. I want to get to 500 subscribers so I can have this giveaway. Ring that notification bell right there so you're alerted of any future videos I may have, which I will have. Like this video, and I hope you like me, and comment. Ipsy is $10 a month, so it's very affordable. And worst comes to worst, if you don't like what you get a nice bag. But usually I'm very, very over the moon thrilled with Ipsy. They have a questionnaire, and you fill it out according to what you like. And then every month I do review my products, so they know. So if I happen to mention I don't like that, they won't send it to me again, usually. So I'm going to go on there and review these. I won't give it a bad mark. I'm just saying, okay, I have enough skincare. How about something different if they have it? They only have so many things they can give to us. But usually everything they send me I love and use. So this is just not a good month for me. I've been unboxing a couple of things here lately, and well, I did like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That I was really happy with. So that's not totally negative. I do enjoy getting these subscriptions.
having a really hard time talking today. This rain is just like, I mean, I'm not upset or anything, but I'm not really excited about anything right now. I'm just so sick of this rain. Sorry, I'm not comfortable.
So, there you have it. I'll see you soon. Bye.